In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags in QuickBooks Online. So, click the gear icon in the upper right corner, and then under the list section, click the recurring transaction. So this is the tool that helps organize your transactions. And then from here, you can create the custom labels for a different types of expenses, income, or projects, allowing you to track how different areas of your business are performing. And then after that, click new to create a custom label or a group and give it a clear name, something like marketing office supplies or freelance clients. And then after that, once saved, these labels will appear as an option. So whenever you're creating an invoice, expense, or bill, simply select the right label to attach it to the transaction. So later, you can generate performance reports to see how each group or label is doing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.